Hey, it's Josh, and look, I'm here with my friend Dylan, who is the cutest little 1.5-year-old I know. And look, I brought you something. What's that?
Apple.
No, it's an orange.
Apple.
It's an orange.
Apple.
It's an orange. Do you like oranges? Usually we peel it first. And this is why I don't have kids.
Apple.
It's an orange. Yeah, don't eat that part. Don't eat that part. No, don't eat that part. Dylan, here, give me that. No, don't eat that part. Yeah, that's yucky. Ow! So today we're gonna go on a little adventure to Funky Monkey. Are you ready to get funky? Yeah, little monkey? Let's go. Here's my favorite spot, the ball pit. Is it fun? Is it fun, Dylan? Crossing the Rainbow Bridge. Are we there yet? Fun! Oh, and we're done. Okay, his mom cleaned his diaper and he's good to go again. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos with Dylan, let me know in the comments below. And also, what should they do? Subscribe! Okay, bye! Bye!